Hi, welcome to Harris Maths. Here's another example of a partial fraction. And so first we write the equivalent in terms of constants. That's a over x minus 2 add b over x squared add 4. Now if we look at this denominator, we have this term x squared. And so instead of having just a single term b as our constant, it actually implies that we should have bx add c as our constant, or two constants in fact. Secondly, in order for us to proceed, we need to multiply each side by this denominator here. And so we have the left-hand side will cancel to x, add 3, and that's equivalent to a brackets x squared add 4 add bx add c. We have x minus 2. And now we need to go ahead and substitute values for x to eliminate constants and find what's remaining. Now, if we want to eliminate both b and c here, we can set x to positive 2, and then this will reduce to 0, and the left hand side now is 2 add 3, that's equal to a into 2 squared add 4. So we have 5 is equal to 8a, given that a is equal to 5 over 8. Next, we are going to eliminate b, so we'll set x equal to 0. So first we had x equal to 2, and we eliminated all of this, b and c. Now we'll set x to 0, which will eliminate b, and then we'll be able to find c because we do know a. So this now becomes 3 is equal to a 4 times that. This is 0, and we'll have c times 0 minus 2, which is negative c, minus negative 2c, sorry. So we have 2c now is equal to 4a minus 3. So c is equal to 4 times 5 over 8 minus 24 over 8, and we'll multiply all of this by 1 over 2, which is the same as dividing by 2. So this is equal to 20 over 8 minus 24 over 8. So we have this c is equal to a half times 20 over 8, take away 24 over 8, so it's a half times minus 4 over 8, which gives us minus a quarter. So our second constant, c, is equal to minus a quarter. So finally, we'll substitute any value, preferably a small value for x, so that we can find what c is. B. We actually found c. So we know c is minus a quarter, a is 5 over 8. So we'll set x equal to, let's say, 1. So this becomes 4. And we have a into 1 squared add 4, which is 5. Add bx, well, that will just be b. Add c, well, we know c is a quarter. And we're multiplying this by 1 is x, so it's 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. If we simplify this, we have x now is equal to 5a minus b add a quarter. We can substitute for a and b, and then, sorry, for a, we now need to find for b. Well, let's just rearrange. We have b is equal to 5a add a quarter minus 4. So we write that 5a now is 5 times 5 over 8. Add quarter minus 4. We'll have a common denominator of 8, so we'll make this 25 over 8. Add 2 over 8 minus 32 over 8. Which works out to be minus 5 over 8. So if we rewrite our original fraction, x add 3 over x minus 2, x squared add 4. Now we can use our constants that we just calculated. So a was 5 over 8, so this becomes 5 over 8 brackets x minus 2. Add b, but we know b is negative 5 over 8, so this becomes minus 5 x over 8 into x squared add 4. And c we know is minus a quarter, so it becomes minus 1 over 4. Just to write this a bit neatly, we can write this as 5x over 8 minus a quarter all over x squared add 4, which simplifies to we cross multiply here, we have 20x minus 8, and we use this in the denominator here. 8 fours are 32. That's into x squared add 4. And this is a simplified form of writing x add 3 over x minus 2 times x squared add 4 as partial fractions. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.